Welcome back guys to Deja Vu. I've got a very exciting video for you today. We are going to be making the classic PORNSTAR Martini for you all. Okay, so one of a very highly requested cocktail videos. I get sent questions on Instagram on a weekly basis asking me how do I make my famous PORNSTAR Martinis. I'm going to show you how to. So to start off with, we obviously use a vodka for its main spirit. We like to use Chase, so trying to keep it as local as possible. Chase is known throughout Herefordshire. Its distillery is in Herefordshire. It uses potatoes instead of grain or wheat usually to distill its vodka. It allows it to be like super creamy and it's got a great silky texture throughout, so it just complements all of the cocktails. Fantastic. Next product we're going to be using is Pessoa. So Pessoa is a passion fruit liqueur. Very, very tasty. Next one we're going to be using is our passion fruit puree. So this is the secret ingredient, if you will. Now, a lot of people, if you've tried a PORNSTAR Martini in loads of different places, some of them come with a nice froth on top, some of them don't. Funking is the trick. So it will create a really, really nice foam if you shake it really hard with ice, which we'll do and we'll show you at the end. But it just changes the PORNSTAR Martini completely, and yeah, it's the secret ingredient. Next up, we're going to be using our vanilla syrup that we make in-house. We have got a video on how to make a vanilla syrup, so if you haven't seen that, check the link in the description. I'll pop the little video in there for you so you can catch up and get that pre-made for when you want to make them. It doesn't take long at all, but that's one of the other ingredients in it. We just use a little smidge just to take out the sharpness from the passion fruit puree that we're going to be putting in. And then next up is obviously Prosecco. So a lot of people put it in a shot glass and serve it on the side. Some people pour it straight in. We're going to be pouring it on the side in the glass and giving you the option to put it in. I always pop it in the cocktail itself. Makes it a little bit extra boozy, and a little bit of bubbles is always good, isn't it? So yeah, here we go. Right, so first off, we're going to start with our vodka. So we are going to do a nice hefty 35 milliliters. And then next up, we're going to grab our Pessoa. So we're only going to use about 15 to 20 ml in here. So nice smaller punch. Really allow that vodka to come through. Next up, the passion fruit puree, 50 milliliter. And then our vanilla sugar syrup. So only around 10 ml of that. I don't like my cocktails too sweet. If you prefer it a little bit sweeter, feel free to use maybe 15 milliliter maximum. Otherwise it's just going to be too sweet and you lose all that nice sharp flavor from the passion fruit. And next up, we're going to get ice. So a lot of people, when we're doing masterclasses, always get a bit conscious about how much ice you're going to stick in. You're going to want probably around 3/4 a glass full, nothing more. The whole point of adding ice to a cocktail, which I've explained in other videos, but I'll just explain it in this one as well, is it's going to dilute the cocktail, which is key, very important to making cocktails, but it's also going to chill it. No one wants a warm cocktail, so ice is always a main ingredient in 99% of cocktails. So pretty much we're going to pop it all on, give it a good smack so it doesn't come loose, and then a real hard shake. Perfect. Now we're going to go for a coupe glass. I prefer a coupe glass over a martini glass. I think they look so much more elegant. They're really pretty. There's loads of different styles out there. I've chosen this one. And then we're going to double strain. So double strain straight into the glass. And you can see already that nice foamy texture from the passion fruit puree. It's just amazing. Then we'll have half fresh passion fruit, just to garnish. And then we're going to be using some Prosecco on the side. And then we have it. PORNSTAR Martini. Easy, delicious, enjoy. And pour some Prosecco in. And there we have it. PORNSTAR Martini. Cheers. Try? Or not? I'll try coming outside.